and how he will maintain that. You can have a discussion with your parents also. They will tell you how that accountancy is maintained in everybody's life, not only in the IT companies or MNC companies. Okay, so not only in the bank or not only in the colleges or schools also, but everybody's individual life also the accountancy is maintained, but we are not maintaining that with the rules. We are not maintaining with a proper record, or we don't even record also. Everybody, every individual will not maintain, will not record properly. Somewhere he will write only for rent this much, restaurant this much, groceries this much, current bill this much. Only what we will write the expenses and the amount, whatever we have spent. That's all. Not with the complete rules, not with the complete rules that has to be followed. Okay. It is not required also for us. For us, for individual life. It is not required also. Understood? No, not even required also. So my point here is why I am telling you these things, because so in individual life it is not required. Okay, in the individual life, it is not required. But when you are working for any IT companies or MNC companies or any schools, colleges, any bank, any NGO sector or anything it may be, they have to maintain the accounts with the proper rules and regulation. So whatever the rules is given in the accountancy, what rules the author has defined, that rules you have to maintain for mandatory. I understand. No, you have to maintain that mandatory. It is mandatory. So in the entire accounts, remember four small words. Four words you remember here. First word is debit. Second word is credit. Debit and credit. Next, liabilities and assets. Liabilities, assets, debit, credit. This debit and credit, it will keep on changing based on your transaction. Whatever transaction you do, based on your transaction, debit and credit will change its position. Okay. Liabilities and assets. Asset is your own property. Your own property is called as your asset. Liability is a borrowed amount, the one amount which you have borrowed by somebody else, which you are supposed to return that amount, is called as liability. We call that one as a liability. I am telling you in a simple word, asset and liability. Okay, so capital is also called as liability only. Provisions is also called as liability only. Taxes, anything like income tax or any taxes also that you pay, that also we will treat under liability only. Why? Because it is supposed to pay, right? Any amount is supposed to pay. In liability side, whatever you take any amount, you are supposed to pay that amount, or you are supposed to settle that amount in the future also. Okay, that is a liability, asset and liability. Two things, debit and credit, two things. Four, totally four concepts. Understand? Now here, debit and credit. Say, first thing, decreasing your money value. Remember, decreasing your money value. Basically, decreasing a money value, you will be treating as a debit. Increasing a money value, you will be treating as a credit. I am telling in my own way. Okay, these things, if you search in the book also, somewhere you won't get. Actually, decreasing a value of a money, I will take under a debit side. Increasing a value of the money, I will be taking under a credit side. And here, say how the money is decreasing here. For what purpose you're decreasing the money from your account? So what is the reason money is decreasing from your account? What is the reason money is increasing for your account? The purpose of decreasing a value, purpose of increasing a value of the money. Okay, that purpose you have to mention. It is not decreasing money, increasing money. No, money is a common. Money may decrease, money may increase. But what is the purpose? For what purpose money is increasing, for what purpose money is decreasing. Write that purpose in debit and credit side. Understood? No? Write that purpose in debit and credit side. Say, you may purchase any goods or you may purchase any product. Because of purchasing that product, only the money is decreasing from your account. Understood? You are purchasing a product. Because of purchasing a product, only the money is decreasing from your account. Now, you sell any product. When you sell any product is going out actually, but money is coming in. When you sell any product, you will get some amount. When you get some amount, that may be increasing the value of the money. When you sell any product for the loss, then it is loss only actually. But other than that is different. Say, selling for a loss is different. Sale, understand sale. When you're selling something means you will get some income there. When you get an income, your increase value of the money will increase. Understood? No. So here selling for a loss, purchasing for a profit, these and all, it is a secondary. So don't focus, don't think too in depth now only. Understand only purchase and sale. Just keep only these two words in the mind. That's all. Okay. When you purchase any product, yeah, product is coming. Product, you are using that product, but because of purchasing that product, only the money value is decreasing. When you sell a product, because of selling a product, only the money value is increasing. So understand in this concept, it will be very easy for you to write the debit and credit journal entries. Understood? No? It will be easy to write this journal entries when you understand in this method. Okay. When you pay any rent or you pay any fees, college fees or rent, or you pay any like say internet bill, you pay any phone bill, you pay any charges, anything you pay from your end, it is a expenses for you. Whatever you pay, all are, even if you pay EMIs also, that is also expenses only for you. Okay. So whatever you pay, the payments are going out means the value will be decreasing. The money value will be decreasing from your account. Okay. Same way, you have a bank account. In your bank account, for your saving amount, you may get an interest. That interest is called as income. Okay, you will get some amount for the amount that you have kept in your saving account means that is called as interest. So that is also called as a income. When you get some commission, that is a income. When you get some discount, so you are going and purchasing some product and you're getting a discount there, means it is a income for you. Understood? No? So here debit and credit means one word, decreasing and increasing a value of money will be there, but for what purpose? When you're purchasing, either when purchasing a goods, when selling a goods, when you pay any expenses, when you receive any income, and finally when you deposit any money into a bank or when you withdraw any money from the bank, all these concepts are included when you write a debit and credit entry. Debit and credit, both will be there. That is called as double entry. Okay, debit and credit, when we use both debit and credit means it is called as a double entry. Clear? No? I have explained you from my side. Okay, in a simple way, I have explained you what is how the debit and credit, the term will be there. I have explained you from my end. So you have any doubts till here? Any doubts? Is this clear? Anybody is having any question?
Clear, ma'am.
So is it clear to all? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
when you are writing accounts in the book from the scratch, from the basic, when you are writing accounts, say these things are all first PUC syllabus. If you sit with a first PUC student, then you will understand the accountancy concept still more better. Okay, so the first PUC accounts books, what they will tell you is that first you have to prepare a journal entries. First, you will be preparing a journal entries. Okay, transactions, using a transaction. What is transaction? Daily business transactions. You pay any amount to any person, it is called as transaction. You deposit any money into a bank, it is called as transaction. You purchase any product, it is called as transaction. You sell any product, it is called as transaction. You withdraw any money from the bank is called as transaction. Any fund is transferred from one place to another place is also called as transaction. Okay, so using all these transactions, you have to prepare a journal entries for debit and credit. So you have to write what is debit, what is credit. You have to write. Okay. So when you're writing in a book, you have to write all this. You have to do step by step all these things. Journal entries, ledger, subsidiary book, trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet, and other reports. Also, you have to do everything step by step manually in the book. If you want to write in a book. Journal entry, ledgers and subsidiary books, trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet, up to your 12th standard syllabus, it will cover. Second PUC. Second PUC, up to second PUC till balance sheet you can learn. And we have a CBSE 12th standard. CBSE 12th standard, all these things you will learn. All the red color points also. CBSE 12th accounts will explain you everything. Okay, fine then. So, same thing if you want to do it in a tally. So, see the difference. Same thing if you want to do it in the tally. You have to create one dummy company, create a ledgers, create a journal entries. That's all. Other things and all you don't have to prepare. No need of preparing a profit and loss or trial balance or balance sheet. Once you do ledgers and journal entries, automatically all other reports also will get created in the tally. Okay. Now, three types of accounts you have. Can anyone tell me what is that three types of accounts? So first, let me know how many commerce background students are there here. How many commerce background? You can raise. If you are from a commerce background, you raise your hand. If you are from a commerce background, you can raise your hand. Only two. Only two people are there, commerce background.
Ma'am, it's real, personal, and nominal account.
Yeah, but my question is how many commerce background students are there?
No, ma'am, I'm from art.
You're from
Art student.
art student. Great.
Yes.
Okay. So how many commerce background students are there? Only two people are there. Rest of them are from non-commerce background, not from commerce. So I don't have that much time. Please raise your hand if you are from commerce background. Up to second PUC, if you have studied commerce, also you raise your hand. Commerce means you might have studied this accountancy in your college days. I will not ask you any questions. Don't get fear. Okay, just raise your hand if you are from commerce background. That's it. So don't get fear or don't get tense that I will ask you any questions. So like I know nobody will interact here. So like my point is like if you are from commerce background, you will understand the concept better. That's it. Okay, fine then. So here you will have a three types of the accounts. What? Three types of the accounts. One is the real account, nominal account, and personal account. Three types of accounts are there. Okay. So what happens here? Like three types of accounts. First, we are going to study real account, real, nominal, personal. These are the three types of accounts we have. Okay, so real, nominal, and personal. First, we are going to study real account. So in the real account, it includes purchases, sales, purchase return, and sales return. Four words, remember. Okay, in the real account. One, purchases, sales, purchase return, and sales return. Whatever the transactions it may be, if you have purchased any goods or you purchase any asset, you have to apply real account rule. Okay, you have sold any product or you have sold any asset, you have to take a real account rule. Purchase return and sales return. Whatever you have purchased, that will return back. Whatever you have sold, it will return back. Understood? No. So purchase, sales, purchase return, and sales return. So these concept you should understand here. Only these things it will come in the real account. So basically, any real account means we have to consider, like say purchase or sales, purchase return or sales return in a simple way. Simple way I'm telling you. Understand in a simple way. Real account means most of the transactions will be purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return only. Okay, so here the real account rule means what comes in, what goes out. That means debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So here, say you may ask, Madam, previously you told debit means decreasing a value, credit means increasing a value. So here also you can apply same logic. Same logic if you apply and see what comes in, what goes out. When you're purchasing something, what product you have purchased, product is coming in, cash is going out. Okay, when you sell any product, product is going out, cash is coming in. So that means what? You purchased a product, because of purchasing a product, money is decreasing. Correct? No. So here you don't have to write money is decreasing. But for what purpose the money is decreased? Because of purchasing only money is decreased. So that purchase you show in the debit side, and how much amount has been decreased, that amount you show in the credit side. Understood? No.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
like that you have to understand, apply the same logic what I said in the very beginning. Same logic only you should apply here also. Okay, so because of purchasing, money is decreased. You don't have to write money decreased, money increased. No. For what purpose it has been decreased? You purchased a furniture, that is the reason money is decreased. Money means furniture. Furniture you have to show in the debit side. What is the purpose? Furniture is purchased. How much is decreased? That amount you show in the credit side. Clear? No. Same thing
Yes, ma'am.
opposite. Opposite for your sales. When you are selling some product means what product you have sold, that product you show in the credit side. How much amount you have got, that amount you show in the debit side. Okay. So like this. See the format. This is the format for your GL account. That means general ledger account. We will call as a general ledger accounting, or you can also call as a GL, or you can also call as a journal entries. So now this is a format. Okay. First format will be debit. Date, you have to write a date, and particulars, LF, ledger folio, debit and credit. Same format you have to prepare. Understood? No? So here I have taken purchase furniture with cash. It is there. So of rupees 25,000. Debit side I have taken furniture account. Credit side I have taken cash account. Because furniture is coming in. Coming in. What we have purchased? Furniture. Furniture is coming in. Cash is going out. So you have purchased from cash means you take as a cash. Cash you will be taking under a credit side because cash is going out because of purchasing of furniture. Because of purchasing of furniture. Okay. So both the columns, debit column and credit column, both the columns you have to write the amount. Debit column also you write the amount, credit column also you write the amount. Furniture account debit to cash account. That red color, whatever I have mentioned, you have to write in the same way only. Furniture account DR to cash account. DR is nothing about, it indicates to a debit side. To below only you have to write. To indicates to a credit side. Clear no this entry? Anything doubt you have? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, let me explain you. Yeah. Let me explain you next. Sold goods for 3,000 I have taken. Sold goods. So here, what is coming in, what is going out. So when you are selling something, amount is coming in and product is going out. So here, product name is not mentioned. When there is no any product name is mentioned, then you can take as a sales account. You should take as a sales account. Okay. So when there is no any product name purchased, like when you're purchasing some goods, I mean like nothing good name is mentioned. Only it is telling that goods purchased, goods sold means you should take as a purchase account, sales account. Understand? So here, because of selling a product, you got the amount. Selling sales you should take under the credit side. When you're showing a sales under the credit side, seems that cash is coming in, that you have to take under a debit side. Real account will say always that what is coming in you should take under a debit side, what is going out you have to take under a credit side. Clear no? Because of selling a product you got the amount, that amount you have to show under a debit. Sales you will be showing under a credit. Till here it is clear no? And blindly you can take any time, anywhere. Purchase means always debit only. Sales means always credit only. No changes at all. Okay, purchase, if you see there is a purchase means purchase you should take under debit side only. What is a mode of purchase, cash or check? What mode of purchase that you take under a credit side? Sales means always sale will come under a credit side only. The mode of payment, cash or bank, take under the debit side for sales.
Okay.
Okay, till here it is clear no? Next is a purchased return and sales return, just opposite to your purchase account. See, just opposite to your purchase account. Because of goods that you have purchased, whatever goods you have purchased, you are sending back. You're returning that. And again, you're giving back the, like say product you are giving and cash is coming in. Okay, what comes in, you will take under a debit side. What is going out? Purchased goods are going out. So take as a purchase return. Okay, same way, sold goods returned back means just opposite to your sales account. Opposite to your sales account. Say cash account data to sales. If you come here, see sales returns account data to cash. Opposite to your sales is sales return. Opposite to your purchase is purchase return. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to share you one notes to you in the WhatsApp. I want everybody to make a note of that notes. Okay. I'm sharing you that one. When it is purchase, when it is sales, when you purchase any asset, when you sell any asset, purchase return and sales return. Okay. I am giving you some 5 minutes time. make a note of that, whatever I have shared you in the WhatsApp, and I want um, 4 people to explain that one. Any 4 of you can explain. Purchase 1 person, sales 1 person, purchase return and sales return and 2 people. Totally 4. Okay, just look into that notes. So I have shared you. So when it is purchase and when it is sales, I want 4 of you. I'd like say you can choose whoever they can come and explain me. Once again, you can explain to your friends here. What does that mean? What did you understood about that? So just read once, make a note in the book also. Please make a note in the book. Okay. So who will be the first person to explain? Who will be the first person to explain? So if nobody are interested to explain, then you tell me so that we can wind up the class for today. We can continue from tomorrow onwards.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, purchasing you are asking, ma'am.
all purchase, sales, purchase, return, sales, return, everything.
Purchasing means he has a debit card, ma'am. Because
But
whatever we have to just purchasing everything we have to get in debit card.
okay,
Because anything, ma'am.
yes,
Because how we have to means purchasing means we have go for any mall, we have purchasing many things like
say
that we have
whatever
to.
you purchase, what you
Yes,
purchase, that you will be mentioning under debit side.
debit.
Cash or check you will be mentioning under credit side. And to whom, like from whom you have purchased, the person name also you have to take under the credit side. Okay.
Okay.
Say purchased goods from Preeti means purchase account debit to Preeti account.
Okay.
Purchased goods from Lata for cash. Purchased goods from Lata for cash. Purchased goods from Preeti on credit. Two things are there, on cash, on credit. Purchase goods from Lata on cash means
Oh,
purchase account debit to cash account because cash is mentioned in the question.
okay.
Purchased goods from Lata on credit means it is credit purchase. Purchase account debit to Preeti account. Understood? I have given the same thing in the text message. I want you all to write down this text message at least. Okay,
Okay.
say when it is purchased or when it is sold. Say this one. Understand this one. I want you all to write this one clearly so that you will understand. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I have written in the notepad also. This one. Understood? No? You will get like it is a, I mean like, okay. I have copied from WhatsApp, right? So that's why it is showing like this. Okay. So what is purchase and what is sale? When it is purchased, make a note of this one. When it is purchased, so when it is sold. So this is the most important thing. When it is purchased and when it is sold. Okay. Next, any asset you purchase, again say you have that one also. When any asset you purchase, any asset you sell. Say this is like any asset you purchase. Okay. Asset account data to cash account when you are purchasing any asset. So when you're purchasing any asset means asset account will be debited to cash account. Understood, no? Clear, no? Till here.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next is something called like sold. Sold means what? When you are selling any uh, asset. When you are selling asset means cash account data to asset account you have to take.
Okay.
Okay, cash account data to asset account. Okay, let me share you this one, the note file. Okay, so please manage for today, understand clearly. Okay, no, till here. Any doubts you have till here?
Ma'am, there is debit, two is credit.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine then. I will share you some more questions, exercises for purchase and sales.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will say share you some exercises which is related to purchase and sales. So I want you to write an answer for that. That answers we are going to discuss in tomorrow's class. That answers we are going to discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay. I will
Ma'am,
just
tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Monday.
Yes. Thank you.
Tomorrow means Monday.
Okay, got it.
Okay, next session we can discuss. Okay. Let me share you that one. This is a very simple question I have shared you. Purchase and sales question. Okay. Just read once. Try to answer this. These answers we will discuss on Monday's session.
Okay,
See
ma'am.
your WhatsApp. I have shared you the questions in the WhatsApp. Okay. Fine
Okay.
then. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye.